Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Fix Your English. This is part one of a new story. Today's story is called The Wrong Message. Let's begin. It was a normal evening. I was sitting in my room looking at my phone. I felt tired. It had been a long day. Work was stressful. My boss was not happy with me. And I had a lot of problems in my mind. I opened my messages. There was one person I wanted to text. Her name was Emma. We had a small argument that morning. I wanted to fix it. I wanted to say sorry. I started typing. I'm sorry for today. I stopped. Then I typed again. I didn't mean what I said. Still not good. I deleted everything. I took a deep breath. Then I tried again. Hey, Emma, I'm really sorry. I was stressed. I hope you can understand me. I looked at the message. It felt honest, simple, real. Yes, this is good, I said quietly. I pressed send. I waited. 1 minute, 2 minutes, no reply. Maybe she's busy, I thought. I put my phone down. Then I stood up and walked to the kitchen. I drank some water, but I still felt nervous. I went back to my room. I checked my phone again. Still nothing. Then suddenly, my phone vibrated. I quickly picked it up. There was a reply. But something felt strange. The name. It was not Emma. I looked again. My heart stopped for a second. It was a different name. Daniel? I whispered. Who is Daniel? I opened the message. Sorry? I think you have the wrong person. I felt cold. What? I said quietly. I looked at the chat again. This was not Emma. This was someone else. I checked the number. It was similar, very similar. Only one number was different. Oh no. I sat down slowly. I sent it to the wrong person. I didn't know what to do. Should I ignore it? Should I say sorry? Should I explain? I felt embarrassed, very embarrassed, but I couldn't just leave it. So I typed, I'm so sorry, this message was not for you. I waited. A few seconds later, he replied. It's okay, it happens. I felt a little better. Good, he's normal, I thought. I smiled a little. Then I was about to close the chat, but then he sent another message. Bad day? I looked at the screen. That question felt personal. I didn't expect that. I thought for a moment. Should I answer? He was a stranger. I didn't know him. But somehow I felt like talking. I typed slowly. Yeah, a little. He replied quickly. Do you want to talk about it? I was surprised. Why would a stranger care? I didn't understand. But I also didn't stop. I don't know. Maybe. I put my phone down. Then I picked it up again. My heart was beating a little faster now. Something strange was happening. A few seconds later, another message. Sometimes it's easier to talk to someone you don't know. I read it again, and again. That sentence stayed in my mind. Maybe he was right. No pressure, no judgment, just words. I looked at the chat, then I started typing. I had a fight with someone important today. I stopped. Then I added, and I think it's my fault. I pressed send. I didn't know why, but I did it. This was just a mistake, a simple mistake, a wrong message. But deep inside, I felt something strange. Maybe this mistake was going to change something. I looked at my phone again. His last message was still there. Sometimes it's easier to talk to someone you don't know. I didn't know why, but I decided to reply again. Maybe this conversation was not over yet. This is part 1 of the story. In part 2, something unexpected will happen. The simple mistake will turn into something much bigger. See you in part 2.